finish o. I say, and the waka they go now and see, say, Blessing CEO. A video fly come and say, they cry. He say, oh, your hair don't they come out today? You can't they come out and for there. When I don't verse, you don't say, believe anything what you see on social media. Me, I don't believe, say, something is wrong with her. I don't believe. She don't fail done before to make she take go viral. During that time, we be say, come they show us that house. Now, not the house now. We can say, now you get them. And not the way people not say they do content. I know so many people will come say, no, madam, this kind of thing, person not fit use that to do content. No, nah. No be person can't tell a friend, may go talking for social media saying don't buy. Whether say never buy, just to go viral, just to talk about them. They still dey. This Blessing CEO, me, I don't believe. I don't believe. When I know what Blessing CEO they do so. And I know say it with easy, they be cataract. They be cataract. So easy don't cry come and say for Yasha will work. She's traumatized. She's this. She need to write book. She need money. No? So people now don't they donate for her. Even Natasha, Tina Natasha they call her. Donate $1,000 for her. Why can't be say Blessing now come and say see what they do? Because you know say if she talk this one, this it go make people say, oh, you understand? So I believe say she they do content. I believe say she they do content, nothing they do. She just want draw attention. Do you understand? For me, she want draw attention to her side. That's what they do for media now. If they see say they don't see engagement again, you know, people know they talk about them again, they will try to pick something. See what they go on now. So that one, people not call the minor. Do you understand? That is what me, I believe. I don't believe say she's sick. Because even to come they draw your hair, they come they come out. You understand? All those things where be say she do. I believe say na content na she dey do. Get one of her video where be say she do with somebody where they record, they follow her. She come they drive, they go. I believe say most of una still see her. Another man come they beat a wife. She can't stop for car, you know. They come the video with the man come the nasty content. It can't be like say I go rescue that woman. Maybe most of una don't see her. This are I don't believe say she sick. If she's sick, I pray may God heal her. But I don't believe she want draw attention of people. You understand? To her side. Because easy, don't they do pass herself? They say, I be ashamed where they read book, I want to write book, and people now they will like to donate. So this are all now like heavy pass. So she want to do something where people go still draw people attention towards her side, so that people can say they want to go donate for her side. You understand? Otherwise, why Blessing CEO not come and sings? Why you not like try say, you know, do something they bring her? Why it can't be say easy can't bring her it never reach a month. She can't bring her come out. Because why? Social media is not about easy. So she want draw that attention towards to her side, so that people will consider say, oh, Blessing CEO, oh, you know, especially when it comes to something like this. Because me, I never see somebody when never even start to they take I think whether na chemo that they call, I don't know. Here we don't start to the pull. I don't know. Blessing CEO come to show us a medical report. You know, say social media, we need all those things. The video way, because now they do video now. The video way is where be say you take go to hospital, all those things, because now the record, even to go toilet safe, we go record that. So something like that way they important. I believe say we need to see them. We need to see them. So because if you reach TikTok now, Blessing CEO, no this one, the other one, because so that people know when they call them. Before you know, people can't forget easy. Now not say that they like to they do all these things. They will find something bring come out. Social media na me for see say person want make they call her name. Eh? He can't go put and say she don't buy. Well, I see never buy. Now wash how to do content is not easy. For me to go they do all those things, just better that they cook and eat. Now people they do content of cooking and eat. They eat for live video. They wash her. People say they wash her. Because me, I don't believe at all. I don't believe anything they do blessing at all. Blessing na queen of drama. No blessing. Everybody know blessing na where be say I don't present anything not they do. You say na prank you just they do. You want me you shake social media a little bit so that everybody will come up for easy side. They will come your side. So me I put the video for now. What you I think about this blessings you? This one na my own think, na my own opinion. Now what I think say if they try to do because I don't believe say she know way. Do you understand? I don't believe. When they draw her hair, come cut her hair, low cut, say you need money, come put her account. The way be say easy still say do her own, come put account for there. She want write book, you know. So people when want go donate for easy, they will pack go aside say na oh na important pass the kind yeah shower book where easy want write. And people make I live una. Thank you for watching. Please help me to love and like and share this video. See, put your own comment. What did you think? You really think say blessing dey sick? Say she really get her own content na she dey do. We dey see many prank. We dey see many things wey they say they do social media or in the name of say people make them come like you know. Now bye for now.
Amaimo tigesi meme o. Yema nigeme. Amaimo tigesi me o. Yema nigeme o. 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 I'm so scared. 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 I'm so scared.